Hi everyone, this is Justin from the Jenni AI team here with another tutorial video. Today we're going to be covering exporting and publishing your written document out of Jenni. So as you can see here, we have a sample document with an introduction, literature review, and we've got some references listed below. So to export, all you need to do is click the export button in the top right, and you can export out as a LaTeX or as a Microsoft Word doc. And as you export out of Jenni, all the references and citations will remain intact. Here is an example of how the Microsoft Word version looks like. So as I mentioned, all of the citations as well as references are listed here. So the next thing you can do is publishing. So let's head back to the Jenni text editor. We just want to click the publish button in the top right, and this will actually create a shareable link that you can send to your co-authors, to your reviewers, that will all update in real time. So this is exactly what the paper will look like when you send it to them. And there you go. That's how you export your document and publish on Jenni. Thanks for watching.